Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have the correct APK and the matching OBB/data files. This prevents version conflicts. Once downloaded, make sure your Android has at least 3 GB free and that unknown sources is enabled so installation is allowed. Use a reliable file manager to extract or move the OBB into Android/ob/com. Konami. Pes. Then pause and verify file names match exactly. If installing an additional data archive, extract it into the game folder now. You should now install the APK and refuse to open it until the OBB or data is correctly placed. Opening early can trigger redownloads. Once the APK is installed, confirm the OBB resides in Android/ob/com. Konami. Pes and set storage permissions if prompted. Next, connect a controller or adjust touch controls. This saves time once the game boots. If the game offers an initial data check, allow it to complete. These steps ensure a smooth first run without missing textures or crashes. You can now launch Pes Offline, grant any storage permissions, and let the game perform its first-time setup. Make sure to watch for status messages that indicate missing files and wait for small in-game downloads to finish. If the game crashes or shows a black screen, clear the app cache and data, verify the OBB folder name and contents, then reinstall the APK if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip. Version mismatch causes most failures. Always use matching APK and data files to resolve checksum or asset errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.